So this is Christmas.
Merry Christmas everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shauna Pineapple. Welcome to another video of what I got for Christmas. I did this video on my channel last year and I'm sharing with you guys again this year. I know it's been a rocky, disastrous, sad year for most of us. So for me, gifts and boxes always cheer me up. So I hope I bring some cheer to you guys. So please do subscribe, like, leave your comments and turn your bell notification on so you guys will be notified when I post upcoming videos for the new year. Some nice, sweet, juicy videos. I have a planner for my videos. The first gifts I'm gonna open are the ones that have the gift bag because they're the easiest to get into, and of course I see Louis Vuitton, so I am just what's inside this, this bag right here, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. Of course it cannot be anything major because as you can see it's a very small bag. Let's open my first gift for Christmas of 2020, and this is from a very special friend. Let's see what she got me. Yay. Okay. Okay, so my first gift is, thank you friend, my first gift from a very special friend. Thank you. So my first gift for 2020, my first Christmas gift is right here, a Louis Vuitton keychain. Thank you. I'm gonna open all the gifts that have bags. This is my second gift from this is a second gift from a friend from work. So I got this today. It was so tempting for me to peek what's inside, but I just hold it in together. So let's reveal what's inside. So I have a gift card. These are candles. So I got some candles. This is a candle holder. The candle is inside. Yay. And of course it fits my living room decor. It's black, white and silver and gold. So this will go perfect with my living room decor. So I have a candle holder, my second gift, and there's another candle inside. This one smells good. On the champagne toast. It's very cute. Thank you, co-worker. So I got this from work. It's very cute. I love this. The scent of this one smells like perfume. Whew. And it fits my home decor. So another gift. So far so good. Yay. I love Christmas. I've been looking forward to opening gifts from a week ago when I started receiving gifts, started receiving, delivery, but I'm here. Let's move on to the third gift. It's also in a bag. So she go. Another Louis Vuitton. Hold on. Another one. Okay, so gift card. I have gift card. I will not be reading my gift card. So, yay! I have another Louis Vuitton. Yay! And this is. I think this is a perfume. So I have another Louis Vuitton. Let's open. Oh, cute. I love the package. Yeah, it's a perfume. So I have my first Louis Vuitton perfume. I'm just gonna rip the box. Okay, so comes in this right here. Let's take a smell. Hope I like this fragrance. I like it. I'm trying to decide if I like this perfume over my Saint Laurent perfume. But it smells good. It smells very fruity. I like fruity stuff. Like, so this is my Louis Vuitton perfume. Yay! It's cute. So 2 Louis Vuitton for me. Hell, it's Christmas. So yeah, so far so good. Merry Christmas. Take you up. Okay, this is from also another friend of mine. Friend that gave me this chain purse right here also gave me this bag. So let's see what's inside. What could this be? Let's see what's inside. I got MAC stuff. Yay! Makeup. This year I wanted to do a makeup class so bad, but because of COVID that couldn't happen. But 2021 I am doing a makeup class. I need to get on top of my makeup game. So I have a brush cleanser, one of my gifts. So brush cleanser. The bags are cute though. I love the color. It's very cute. So these are my makeup bags from my lovely friend. Okay, so these are brushes and the card. I read my cards later. Oh. You are too cute. So I have a couple brushes, a couple makeup brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a eyelash. This is a lash applicator for my lashes. So I have a couple brushes. Yay! I needed some brushes so bad. Guys, please do subscribe and turn your bell notification on, because another video what I got myself for Christmas. So these are all the gifts that I got from my friends and loved ones, but my next video will be what I got myself for Christmas. This is another MAC. What is this? Okay, so she got me a flat brush also. So I got a couple brushes. Thank you. The bags are so cute. Put this over here. Okay, which one should be the next one? Let's see. Let's choose this one right here. Choose this one. Open, 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 open. Yes! This is for my editing, when I'm editing my videos. Yay! Let's open. Let's open. Like a kid, hurry up. I'm loving this gift so far. Yes! I hope everyone loved the gifts that I have for them. Change the way you hear sounds. Yeah. Yes. So now I can edit my videos in peace. Comes in a little pouch. Comes in a little pouch. Yay! So now I can edit my video when I'm around company and no one can hear my raw work. Yay! Check it out. It is cute. I love the color. The color is cute. Listen, thank you, boo. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. I like it. Hope I don't damage it because I'm Shauna. Let us put this here for later. Oh, cute. Okay, another one. What's from another? Let's do this one right here. Let's do this one. Okay. I love these kind of videos. I just love watching them. So I just thought like, let's share to, you know, bring some joy. Receiving gifts. What is this? No. What? Don't tell me this is another perfume set. Is this another perfume set? Open, 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 open. What is this? What? Yes! I got a bag. Date night. Check it out. Oh, cute. Yay. So I have a bag for a date night. I love it. Thank you, babe. Aww. Oh, cute. Thank you. I am seeing Christmas this year. If you guys haven't seen my previous video for Christmas, go check it out. I will leave the link in my description so you guys can see what I got for Christmas last year and what I got for Christmas this year. So far, I'm loving all my gifts. Yes. What should we open next? Let's do this small one right here. These are all, yeah, these like, what? Like, Thank you, Lord. It's been, this year for me, I have so much ups and down. This year for me in quarantine, I have so much up and down. I have good time, I have bad times, I have good time, I have bad time. Like, I had my fair share of 2020. So like, I'm just, for the past 2 months, I've just been smiling. I've been so happy. Like, 2020 has turned around for me in these last 2 months. Like, hold up. Listen, YouTube for 2021, I have a plan for my YouTube channel, and this right here does show me that, because this is stuff that I didn't know that I'm getting, right? And I have so much planned for my YouTube channel because I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to be more open. I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube. And then for me to open this gift, so far I have my my Beats headset that I wanted so bad, because when I'm uploading video, little backstory, I'm like, when you have people around me, sometimes I just want to like zone out, you know, cover my ears and just get my work done. I would have so much more done with my editing. And then for me to have a Beats headset, like, and then I have a microphone for my camera. I have a Sony A6 100 vlogging camera, and then I received a microphone. Like, I researched this microphone over and over, like in October and November, because I was like, I want my audio, my video to have more quality with sounds and editing and stuff like that. And like, listen, manifestation is working. Like, yeah. Okay, I'm so happy. Another package. I love this wrapper. It's cute. Look at this wrapper. It's very cute. I love this box, the wrapper. Let's open another video. Michael Kors. Okay, I got a Michael Kors box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it's cute. A Michael Kors sneakers, all white. It's cute. Okay. Let me see what size it is, because I have a big feet, so let's see if they went, you know, right on the size. What's that? Yes, it's a size, it's my size, it's a size 9. Thank you. It's cute. So I have an all white Michael Kors sneakers. Yay. Okay, so I have the bag, I have the sneakers, I have my perfume, I have my keychain. So COVID, you just need to go away so I can get back to my dating life. To another one. Moving right along. These gifts are all for me. Yes. Listen, I swear to God, every single year since I've been here in America, I get an Uggs for Christmas. Every single year. Okay, let's open Santa. No, it's not Santa. Let's open the snowman. Let's see what's inside. Snowman. Okay. What could this be? Listen. Listen, YouTube. Listen. I got a magic mouse for my laptop. A Apple mouse. I don't have any knife, no scissors. Let's use my chain open. Yes. Listen, these are for me. These are like kind of pricey for a mouse, like $100. It was $90 something I see for, and I got one for. Listen. If this is not a sign, guys, that the universe, God is telling me, Shauna, you need to take your YouTube serious. You need to be consistent. You have all your equipment. I have a ring light. I have a box light. I have so many tripods. I have a vlogging camera. Now you have a mouse. You have so much memory card. You have a Rode mic, Shauna. You also have a we call it an earphone. I have no excuses. No excuses. Nice. Oh, cute. Only me. Okay. Oh, cute. Yes. I love it. Okay. Relax. This is so cute. Oh my God. Thank you guys for getting me all this lovely stuff. It also comes with a charger. You have your own charger. So Apple need to start making their charger longer. The charger cords need to be way longer. I love my mouse. Oh my God, I got an Apple mouse. This is Christmas. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see what's inside. See what's inside. Okay, something fell. What is this? Okay, so this is a gym. This is a workout top. So I got a workout top. So my loved ones are taking care of me. So I have stuff to, you know, work out, keep my body fit. So my workout top, I love the color. The back is, you know, stylish. It's in size medium. So where's the bottom? I guess I'll just go naked. So let's open the box. See what's in it. Okay. Okay. Yay! I got water shoes. When it's raining or snowing, more raining, when it's raining, I got a rain shoes. Thank you. I got a rainy boots. And it's Christmas, it's raining today and my rain shoes. So if I'm going outside today, I have the perfect shoe. Thank you. I'm loving these gifts. I am loving, listen, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see what's inside this big box right here. This box has been here for the past 3 days. And I'm like, what's inside? What's going on? Like, I can't wait. But let's open this box right here, this gift, and see what's inside. Have you guys subscribed yet? It's Christmas. Just subscribe, leave a comment, like. It's Christmas. If you want to give Shauna Pineapple a Christmas gift, just subscribe and turn your bell notification on so you guys will see my juicy upcoming videos. Yay! It's a Macy box. Let's see what Macy got for me. Just rip it open. See what's inside. What is this? Okay, I got a coat. Yes, I got a coat. Let's check you out. You're dressy. Yay. I got a coat, guys. I love the style right here on the shoulder right here. I think it's very cute. Yes, so I have the bag. I have the perfect bag that is black. The perfume, the makeup brushes, the coats, like what? I hope I have some heels to go with it. Like, what? Oh, cute. I love the color. It looks dressy. Thank you. I like it. It's a size small. Yay. I also got a coat for Christmas last year. Another big box. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Let's rip it open. Open up. Yes. What? I have my own. No. Wait a minute. I have my own. What? Listen, I love my friends. I love you guys. I love my loved one. I love my babe. Wow, listen. I can make my own cappuccino, my own latte from home. Like, yes. This is... I can make my own. Guys, subscribe so you guys can see me making lattes and cappuccinos and stuff like that. Like, yes. No more Dunkin' Donut coffee from me in the mornings. No more Starbucks because I have my own machine. Yes. Okay. Oh my God, these are so cute. It's Christmas. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Another gift. I have so much gifts to open. Listen, out of every gift, my coffee box right here, my coffee machine. This is so handy. This is so useful. This will save me so much time in the morning going to work to make my coffee. Like, what? Listen, I am making a cappuccino tonight. Whoa. This is so cute. Okay, let's see what's inside this one. Open. Oh. Why did they tape you? Open. I love this wrapper. This wrapper is so cute. I love the wrapper. I have my little, you know, to help me out. Okay, let's open another one before I get to my big box. Let's see what's in. No. What? Gucci? Hold up. Yay! What's inside? Is this another Gucci belt? Because I could use another Gucci belt. I could really do. What's inside? What's inside this Gucci box? Yay! I'm loving it. I could feel it. Listen, if you guys watch my previous video, like, listen, last year for Christmas I got a MCM football cap. I love that cap so much. I wear that cap to the gym, when I'm running errands, when I'm going out for brunch, a bad hair day. I needed another cap so bad. Like, what? Oh, cute. Let's try it on. Let's try it on and see if it fits. Yay. Trying to bend it in a little bit. Yes. So I have a Gucci hat. Yay. And I'm wearing my Gucci belt. So now my Gucci belt have company. Yes. Oh, cute. I am loving. Did I put my shirt back? What? So you're telling me I'm here doing a video what I got for Christmas, and my top is, it's Christmas, okay? Yes, I'm loving it. Let me say thank you for my gifts. Yay! I got another, what? Yes. Okay, let's get down to my final gift. I can't believe my gifts are over. Somebody get a Louis Vuitton bag. But it works. It works. I can work with this for now. Now we are going to, I'm so excited. I am so like, what's inside this box right here? And we're gonna find out together. Yay! And that was inside the box. Woo! Do not open with a knife. Uh-oh. Okay, let's be gentle. Let's be gentle. Open. What's inside? What's inside? Whoa. What's inside? Let's see what it is. Open. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Okay. What is this? What's inside? Okay. Hold on. You're gonna come out. Who are you? Hold on. Okay. What is this? It's something I have to... This is something I have to put together. Stay right there. I know what it is! I know what it is! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is this what? No, what is? Oh, what is? What is this? Oh yeah. Hold on, cause no one know what you are. Hold on. It's an egg chair. What? I got an egg chair for Christmas, and the color is red. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is an egg chair, I think. Looks like an egg chair. What? Okay, so this is Christmas. Like, hold it together. I am grateful. I am happy for all these gifts. I hope everyone have something to smile for Christmas. It's Christmas today, guys, and whew, Lord knows I needed these, like for some reason. Okay, to each his own. For some reason, gifts, it doesn't matter if it's like a $5 gift card or it's just a cup of coffee. I love gifts, and at the same time I love to give my friends, my family member. They can tell you nothing is too much for me to give, nothing is too big for me to give away, and like, you give and you get. This is cute. Oh, I have an egg chair. This is a cushion. This is the cushion for the egg chair. It's a swing. You guys know, I'm gonna see if I could insert a picture. This is the swing egg chair, the swinging chair thingy. I think, yeah. So my living room is black and white, and then a little red. Doesn't hurt, does it? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put it back, but it's an egg chair. Where am I gonna put you though? Okay, the perfect spot for my egg chair after Christmas, because today's Christmas. After Christmas, whenever I find the time, the strength to take my Christmas tree down, this spot right here is the perfect spot for this egg chair. So subscribe, guys. I'm telling you, subscribe, turn your bell notification on so you guys can see me enjoying my Christmas gift, see me redecorating my home, taking my Christmas tree down, setting up my egg chair to see what it really looks like, making my hot latte, my hot cappuccino, iced cappuccino. Like, this is Christmas. Okay, go back in the box. Oh Lord, yay! Ah, I got an egg chair. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Okay, don't damage my tree now. Oh Lord, this is nice. This is cute. Oh, okay, leave my Christmas tree alone. Oh my God. Listen, I am one happy girl right now. I just have one question to ask though. I just want to know who is gonna clean all this mess up. But I am loving my gifts. Like, what? Okay, get off. Oh, so now I have 2 hats. This is cute. So I'm gonna get the eels. What if I open this box over here and see what's inside? These are cute. Okay, I was told that all my gifts are on this side. So these gifts. Okay, I see you. This is so cute. Oh my God, I'm happy. I am happy. I am happy and I deserve. I'm gonna get a Louis Vuitton bag. Oh, I'm gonna buy me a Louis Vuitton bag on Christmas. Yay! This is cute. Listen, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a gift, even if it's just one gift, so you guys can smile, brighten your day up.